The last of former President Donald Trump's co-defendants charged in a racketeering scheme to overturn Georgia's 2020 election results have surrendered. The last 7 were booked at the Fulton County Jail ahead of Friday's noon deadline, including an Illinois pastor and a former publicist to Kanye West and R. Kelly. All but one of the 19 defendants were released from jail after being booked. Trump turned himself in on Thursday. It is the 4th time he's been charged in just 5 months. But in an unprecedented move, he became the first president in U.S. history to have a mugshot taken. It's the latest criminal case against Trump as he campaigns for a return to the White House. Scott MacFarlane is in our nation's capital with more. Good morning, Scott.
Dana, good morning. For Donald Trump, with 4 different criminal cases in 4 different cities, a tidal wave of deadlines, hearings, and arguments is about to form. All 19 co-defendants in the sweeping racketeering case in Fulton County have now surrendered for booking, including the former president.
What has taken place here is a travesty of justice.
His campaign has already begun selling merchandise with Trump's booking photo. President Biden commented on the picture Friday.
Have you seen Donald Trump's mugshot yet? Mr. President, are you worried at all about that?
I did see it on television.
What'd you think?
Handsome guy.
Trump and his co-defendants, including his former chief of staff, Mark Meadows, are expected to face arraignment in early September in Fulton County. But in the meantime, a flurry of other hearings spanning from Georgia to Washington. Monday, D.C. federal judge Tanya Chutkin is expected to set a trial date for special counsel Jack Smith's 2020 election conspiracy case against Trump. Smith requested a trial date of January 2nd, 2024. Trump wants it in April 2026.
It really is the cornerstone and keystone for how trial will proceed and how both sides will prepare for the trial.
Legal analyst Lucius Outlaw, who once served as a public defender, says the judge's proposed date is pivotal.
A trial date dictates everything. It sets the schedule for when motions are due, and for each side, it sets the pace and the course of preparing for trial. For the defense, it dictates when you're going to do your investigation, which witnesses you're going to reach out to, when you're going to file motions, and generally prepare for trial.
At that same hour Monday morning, Meadows appears in court in Georgia, seeking an order to shift his criminal case from Fulton County to federal court, which, if approved, could slow the case, widen the prospective jury pool to all of northern Georgia, and prohibit cameras in the courtroom. Another of Trump's co-defendants, Kenneth Cheeseborough, accused of plotting to overturn the 2020 election, has sought a speedy trial in his case in Fulton County. The district attorney has agreed to a date of October 23rd. Whether the judge accepts that date is one of the many legal questions to be answered in the weeks ahead, Jeff.
Okay, Scott MacFarlane, thank you.